Hi guys, just wanted to share a quick video of how to properly dispose of cooking grease. What you don't want to do is pour it down the sink. Why? Because it solidifies and stops up the drain. Sometimes people will pour hot water and they think they will have solved it, but all you will have really done is pushed it further down and allowed it to solidify further down the pipe, therefore making it harder to get. So it's really just best not to even throw cooking fat down the sink. So here's what I do. I grab an old plastic bag from the grocery store, and usually I'll double it up, but I'm not cooking very much meat, so this will probably work. I always save the pan that the meat came in. It gives me an extra layer of protection should there be like a hole in my plastic bags. And I can tell you from lots of experience, that pan really doesn't melt, even though you're pouring hot grease on it. It will hold that hot grease. So yeah, I just pour all of it out. I try to make sure that I have a couple of paper towels handy. That allows me to get out the extra bits of meat, so I don't have to worry about that in my dishwater, but also kind of clear out any other of the fat from the pan. I don't have to worry about that going down the sink either, just getting as much of it as I can. All right, and I'll just throw this napkin into the mix. Now, this is what I do for when I have a small amount of grease. But sometimes if you're frying something and you have a larger amount of oil, then what you'll want to do is save an old container, an old coffee can, an old tub of some sort. Once it's cooled down, you can pour it in that and then throw it away. I know some people even freeze the container, and then once it's frozen, they just throw the whole container away. Honestly, what we do usually is go out into a far part of our backyard and throw it away. We try not to do it close to the house just because we don't want to draw ants or other stuff. Now I'll tie up the bag and throw it away. And that's what?